Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add markers to Capcut PC. So let's get started. If you want to add markers to your Capcut PC, now to add them what you have to do is just simply select the point where you would like to add the marker on. So for example, I would like to add a marker over here. So what I'll do is just simply select it, and after selecting it, now in the left side of your screen you will find this option which is marker. So just simply tap on that, and after tapping on that the marker will be added. So in this way you can also add marker in other place. Just simply tap on it and then tap on this add marker option, and the marker will be added successfully. So now if you can't find this option which is add marker, then you have not updated your CapCut application. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and then update it. Just tap on menu, and after tapping on menu, now you just have to tap on more, and after tapping on more you will find version. So what you have to do is just tap on version, and if you have not updated your CapCut, then what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then update it. So here you can see guys, I have an update. So what I'll do is just simply tap on install now and update my CapCut. So if you have a older version than 3.9, then you might not have this feature. What you have to do is just simply go ahead and then update it and you will receive it. So that's it guys, this is how to add markers to CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.